Okay, solve numerical 6.12. Two sound waves having wavelengths 81 centimeter and the next one has wavelength 82.5 centimeter. Produce 8 beats per second. Okay, produce 8 beats per second. What is this? They produce 8 beats per second. It's nothing but frequency per second. This time comes means in 1 second how many beats are produced? That is frequency. So frequency of beats is given by this formula. That is equation number 6.33. Frequency of beats, capital N, is the frequency of beats given by the formula N1 minus N2. So here the frequency of beat is given to us, it is 8 and the formula is N1 minus N2. Okay, now calculate the speed of sound in air. Now I'll convert this into meter. So lambda 1 is 81 centimeter, that is 81 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That is, we'll take the points on left hand side, that is 0.81 meter. Lambda 2 is 82.5 centimeter, that is into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So since we have 2, we'll take the points 2 digits. We'll shift the points to 2 digits and it is in minus, so towards the negative side. So over here and then here. So it is 0.825 meter. So this is lambda 1 and this is lambda 2. Now we want to know the frequency of first wave or the frequency of second wave. Which frequency is greater? So we have the formula, that is V is equal to N lambda. So N is V upon lambda. So for first wave, it will be N1 upon lambda 1. Speed of sound remains the same because it is in air. So speed of sound in air, for this sound, the speed will remain the same, and also for the another sound, the speed will remain same because it is in air. N2 will be V upon lambda 2. Now here we have the values of lambda. Which is greater? 0.81 is greater or 0.82 is greater? Of course, lambda 2 is greater than lambda 1. Wavelength is inversely proportional to, see, wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. Means what? If wavelength is greater, frequency will be smaller. Now here lambda 2 is greater, so N2 will be small. So N2 will be, lambda 2 is greater, so N2 will be smaller than N1. So here, who is bigger? N1 is bigger. So we will use the same formula, that is N1 minus N2. If N2 would have been greater, so we would have taken N2 minus N1. Now N is given to us, that is 8. So we'll put 8 is equal to. Now what is N1 according to the formula? N1 is V upon lambda 1. Lambda 1 is 0.81. And what is N2? That is V upon lambda 2, that is 0.825. We'll substitute. At place of N1, we'll write V upon 0.81 minus at place of N2, I'll substitute V upon 0.825. Now V, I'll remove common. So 1 upon 0.81 minus, 1 upon 0.825. Here we have 8. Now 8 is equal to V, 0.825 over here. So this is 0.825 minus 0.81 on this side upon multiplying 0.81 into 0.825. Now we'll take this 2 digits, means we'll take whole this on right hand side. So it will be 8 into 0.81 into 0.825, this whole on this side. So it is 0.81 into 0.825 is equal to V as it is over here. Now 0.825 minus 0.81 in the denominator left hand side. 0.825 minus 0.81. Now let's subtract 0.825 minus 0.81. 5, we have nothing means 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0, and it is, so it is 8 into 0.81 into 0.825 upon 0.015 will give me V. So let's multiply 8 with 0.81. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, so 4 over here 6. 0.8 zeros are 0 plus 6, that is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6 into 0.825 upon 0.015 is equal to my velocity. Now I'll apply anti-log. It is anti-log log of 6.48 plus log of 0.825 minus, this term is in denominator, so minus log of 0.015 is equal to my V. So anti-log, let's find the log. We have just one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. See the log. Here we have 0, so we'll put bar 1. If we have 2 zeros, so bar 2. Minus, we'll see the log. Now here see we have 2 zeros, so it will be bar 2 point and the log. 64 ka 8, let's see 64 ka 8, this is anti-log. 64 ka 8, 64 ka 8 is 8116. 8116. 82 का 5, 82 का 5, this is 5, so it is 9165. So 0 1 2 3 4 5, 9165 and 15 का 0. 15 का 0 is 1761. Now we'll add this to, that is 0.8116 plus bar 1 0.9165. Bar 1.9165. Let's add 5 plus 6 is 11. 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. And plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So it is 0.7281. We'll subtract this digit from 0.7281. Let's subtract. Subtracting 2 bar 1761. 1761. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. We'll borrow. So 12 minus 7 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 0 minus of minus 2 is positive 2. See, 0 minus of minus 2 is 0 plus 2. So it is 2.5520. We'll find anti-log of 2.5520, that is V. So 55 का 2. Anti-log में we'll see 55 का 2. 55 का 2 is 3565. So it is 3565. We have 2 over here, means into 10 raised to 2 is equal to V. And after one digit we'll put point. So the velocity, if it is, see, point is over here, it is 10 raised to 2, positive 2, so we'll move the point towards right hand side for 2 digits. So 1 and 2, it is 356.5. 356.5 meter per second. Yeah, that is only the for unit. Meter per second is equal, is the velocity. Okay. .356.5.